Um, this is a video on how to use the YONANAS and just opening it up and getting all the pieces out. Mine for some reason is a different color than the picture, but I guess, let's see. It comes in this box. This would be the piece with the switch that would turn everything on. Just take the cover off the cord. There is this other piece here, which screws apart and has the blades inside. And there is a sign for lock and unlock position. You put this on this way, and then you turn it to the lock position where it would be straight up and down. There is also the plunger, which you would be pushing the fruit down with. And mine, I saw a lot of other videos that didn't show this, but mine also came with the YONANAS scooper. And I'll just show you really quick how to use it. So first you're going to need to get a bowl, any kind of bowl, and plug it in. And you're going to need some frozen bananas or whatever it tells you in that little book. For me today, I'm just going to use bananas. And what we're going to do is switch it on. Put it in. I used 1.5 bananas. Bananas, yeah. Bananas. And this is the result. Alright, thanks for watching.
Whoops.